Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to your last spelling test before Christmas break. I know you guys are so excited. So, today I gave you the normal amount of spelling words. So your paper needs to be numbered 1 through 16. Okay. Write your name on it, please, so that way you don't forget to write your name on your paper. We're training your brain. All right. Word number 1 is clue. My favorite game to play is Clue. Clue. Number 2 is glue. I am going to get some glue. Glue. That sentence did make sense, but not to help you know what glue meant. I use glue to stick my papers together. Glue. Number 3 is blue. The sky is light blue this morning. Blue. Number 4 is cruise. Cruise. I have always wanted to go on a cruise. Mr. Rentschler does not want to because it is in the middle of the ocean for a very long period of time. Cruise. Remember your 2 ooh spelling patterns too. Number 5 is juice. I had to go to the store to get some apple juice. Juice. Number 6 is bruise. I bumped into the side of the table and now I have a bruise on my leg. Bruise. I thought. I'm confused. That was number 6. If I said number 5, that was number 6. Number 7 is suit. Santa wears a red suit. Suit. Number 8 is fruit. My favorite fruit is either grapes or pineapple. Fruit. Number 9 is true. It is true that Santa comes when you are good. True. Number 10 is due. Your homework is due by the end of the day. Due. Number 11 is say. Please say your name. Say. Number 12 is food. I love food. Food. Number 14, isn't. Before I tell you this sentence, there is something special about this word that has to be there in order for it to be correct. Isn't. Isn't it lovely outside today? Isn't. The next word is found. I found a lost kitty. Found. Next word is top. Please put your name at the top of your paper. Top. And the last word is together. Long word, but you can chunk it up into 3 separate words to help you spell it. That was my trick always when I was spelling it in school. Together. We are in this together. I am here for you. All right, go back, rewind, pause, make sure you have all of your words, and then make sure to turn it into Google Classroom. Have a good day, guys.